So this video is to explain why your instructors are always harping on you to use hexadecimal in this course. And the reason why is that really, when it comes to computers, we should always be using binary numbers, because this is what the machine understands, and binary also makes it most clear what you're doing. So for example, you might have some special function registers that you need to set, 8 of them. And often you can set them all at once by sending one number to the special function registers. And if you think of that number as being a binary number, it makes it really clear what you're doing. So in this example, the lowest bit is setting one of the special function registers to on. The next lowest bit sets a second special function register to off. The third lowest bit sets a third special function register to on, and so on for every bit. So each bit does something specific, and therefore binary is the easiest way to see what you're doing. So why don't we use binary all the time? Well, it just takes up a lot of space. So for example, decimal is a lot more compact to write down. However, it's also a lot of work to convert between decimal and binary. So instead we use hexadecimal because that's also a nicely compact way of writing these numbers. But why is it better than using decimal? Well, if you look at just the lowest 4 bits of this binary number and convert this to a decimal number or a hexadecimal number, you'll see that that's 5 in both decimal or hexadecimal. Likewise, if you look at just these 4 numbers and convert these also, you see that these 4 digits convert to 14 in decimal, which is an E in hexadecimal, which means to write this in hexadecimal, you just write E5. So these 4 digits give you a 5, and these 4 digits give you an E. And if the number is longer, you also just make the hexadecimal longer. So this is why we use hexadecimal. Every 4 digits of the binary number becomes one of the digits in your hexadecimal. And so hexadecimal is a little easier to convert into binary. It's also pretty easy to convert into decimal.